Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna share how to make a nutritious Gujarati dhebra dough, or you can say millet paratha dough using stand mixer. For your convenience, I'm not gonna cut any part of the video and I will show you the entire process so that it would be easier for you to follow the recipe. So let's move on to the recipe. Into a stand mixer bowl, add 2 cups of Bajri flour. I'm using this Natureland organic flour. Add 1 cup of whole wheat flour, turmeric powder, cumin-coriander powder, and add 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. Also add carom seeds. Next add fennel seeds. Add salt to taste. A tablespoon of Jaggery powder, pinch of Hing. Give everything a good mix. Next I'll be adding freshly crushed ginger, garlic and green chilli. Add half a cup of thick curd. Add 1 cup of fresh fenugreek leaves. These are finely chopped and rinsed well under running water. Mix it again. Lastly, add a tablespoon of oil and now place the bowl in a stand mixer. Attach the dough hook attachment and start the mixer at speed 2 initially for 30 to 40 seconds. Next, start adding the water little bit at a time while the mixer is running. At this point of time, I'm gonna set speed to 3. Now the most important thing, as we are working with gluten-free flour, it's necessary to scrape the dry flour from the sides of the bowl using a spatula. I'm doing it while the mixer is still running, but you can also turn off the mixer and do this step if needed. I used 1/3 cup of water, and that's the exact amount of water is required to the quantity of flour I have taken in the recipe. And this measurement always works for me. However, sometimes it may depend upon the quality of the millet flour you are using. I'm gonna share some tips in end of this video, so do watch this video till the end. In about 2 to 3 minutes, the dough will start coming together and it will form into a dough. So at this point of time, I'm going to set the speed at 4 and let it knead well for about 1 to 2 minutes. When the dough is kneaded well, set the speed to 3. Basically, we need to work on the speed between 2 to 4 in order to form a perfect dough. Now I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of oil again. This is just to make the outside less sticky and easier to store. You can also apply oil by hands once the dough is formed. Now the dough is looking perfect, so stop the mixer. As you can see, the dough is not too soft, not too hard, and perfectly pliable dough, which is perfect for rolling dhebras. Also, there is no dry flour left under the dough and the bowl is all clear. Now let the dough rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. Knead the dough for a little bit and make lemon size of balls out of it. Take one ball at a time, flatten it out a little bit, dust it into whole wheat flour and roll it into small disc. Dust it into flour again if desired and roll it not too thick, not too thin. Cook it on both the sides until light brown in color. Smear some ghee or oil if desired. Our dhebra is cooked well and now it is ready to serve. And similar manner cook rest of the dhebras. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like button, and for any queries regarding this recipe you can leave me a comment under the description box, or you can also ping me on Instagram. Thank you for watching and I will see you soon with the next recipe.